Alright guys, this is the new lunchbox from Citrinity, the Citrinity Lunch Pro. As you can see, it's made in black and a little bit of gray. Really sturdy build, nice material for heavy duty, and let's see how it works. So, first things you want to check is the zippers, and as you can see, they open up quite easily, and the quality is 100% there. Now if you open it up, you can see the large space here, no differentiators for containers, this is just place space. Put it as you want it, organize it as you want it. Of course, inside we have the leaflet where there's the recipe ebook included over there. And also, there's the adjustable shoulder strap. So in case you want to go traveling, which is normally what you want to do when you get a lunch bag, or you know, just on your way to school, something like that, you just clip those in. One here, one here, and there it is. Of course, it's adjustable, so onto each and every size, it works. Now let's see what this baby can do, okay? Obviously, it's insulated. This is pebble foil on the inside, really good lining, but let's see what can we throw in it. So let's say we have a big casserole like this, right? I'm gonna put this over here, and a medium-sized water bottle. I'm gonna put this over here, like this. And let's see, a banana, maybe, I don't know. It can fit in over here. And over here we have a pocket, which is also protected with a zipper. And of course I can put in here, let's say, my napkin. Just throw it in there. I can use maybe a candy bar of some sorts, you know, for dessert. And also some knives, forks, you know, spoon, because you need this one in, right? So you can close this off and close the lunch bag. And because it's insulated and waterproof, there will be no leaking. Close it up. And here it is. Okay, beautiful stuff. Now on the back side, there's also a pocket. I usually tend to go around with my tablet, so it fits perfectly over here and I can carry it around. Or for you old schoolers out there, you can use your agenda as well. So it fits in really nice over here. The food is not affected. And one other thing, when you're thinking about storage and stuff, you want to make sure that all types of bento boxes and lunch containers are getting in, right? So let's say you're not using one of these. Let me put this out. Let's take smaller containers like this. So maybe over here you have some veggies and whatnot, and over here you have some cooked food, something like that. You can place these on this side, have your water bottle or whatever over here. And if you still have the banana, you can obviously place it in the top pocket with the chocolate and your knives and forks and what have you. So even if you would think it's bulky, you can place it like this and it will still close up because it's very, very durable and the material is a little bit expandable, okay? So once again, it's filled up. It will keep your food for a couple of hours at the temperature you want it. Excellent for office, school, you know, workplaces, picnics, whatever. This is the new Lunch Pro. And if you go into the description, you might find a discount for it as well.